We weren't supposed to get here till 1 o'clock in the morning, but it's actually not even 10 o'clock yet. The boat's just turning around to go into port. Basically, this town is famous for most of the people living in that one big building over there. Although now we're here, there seems to be more similar buildings over to the left-hand side of us and more over there. Essentially, the whole town just about lives in that great big building there. And it is freezing, and as you can see, there's a hell of a lot of snow around. I'm standing here in a t-shirt. Justin's got a beanie on, and I'm standing here in a t-shirt and jeans, and I'm freezing. I've got a coffee at least.
Okay, let's go.
And we can go inside and have a look at this. But yeah, that's Whittier. We're just sitting here by the Lido pool. We haven't had a swim. I don't think we haven't had a swim or even thought about having a swim the entire holiday so far. But there's people have been. We're still. Boat seems to be just hanging around. Not sure where we end up, but that's Whittier. No bastards still in the fucking pool. Where are you hiding from? No, sir. This is the ninth floor. This is all closed up. But this is where basically the buffet is.
Like today, right?
It's a Canalero restaurant, that part here. You have to book to go in that little part. It's just an Italian restaurant. And then come all the way through here. And this is like an indoor pool. Again, not many people have been here. We saw a couple of people swimming here today, but I haven't seen hardly anyone. It's really on this side. It's just all like a wellness spa. This is like a burger joint that we went to today for the first time. Gotta tell you, the burger was okay, but the rest was shit. And this is another bar. Just closed for the night. This is the other side. Whittier, where we came in. Welcome to the Lido. The monsters of the Lido. Lido. Back through. If you want it, you can come up here for food, and we don't have to use these other rooms, other places. There's a dining room on the second and third floor, which is also really nice food. There was a restaurant called the Pinnacle Grill, which was like a steak restaurant, and then which had awesome food, and then there's the one back there that I showed you. There's a little bit of food still out from the Italian. These guys are still working hard. And that's it, man. That's the 9th floor.
Deck 2, lower promenade deck.
So, Maddie, you wanted to know about entertainment, so I thought I'd take you down. That's the dining room back there. This is where the main entertainment is, 2nd floor. That's some sort of like meeting room where they have like talks and shit. We didn't do any of that stuff because that's like for bogans. Oh, that's not for bogans. This is an actual art gallery. Believe it or not, people actually come on board to buy art. Fucking weirdos. Oh, it's a diamond. It's a fucking diamond shop, this place, as well. They're just mad and selling fucking diamonds to people. We don't get it. This is where the entertainment section is.
I think we'll take the glass.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of Indian Yankee fucking elephants. This is the Rolling Stone Lounge. So they've obviously just finished, the band's just finished. Have to resist the urge to go and grab a bass. Yeah, it's all happening there. And further up there's a billboard. Have I missed it? Billboard on board or something it's called. Yeah, a couple of piano players. They're pretty good from what I understand. But
welcome back to Billboard on Board, everybody. It is the last show of the cruise. How are we doing? Thank you so much for fun. That is such an acceptable answer.
obviously very busy.
Was just trying to smile through the pain.
Smile through the heartbreak.
Absolutely, but thank you for joining us. We know that it's quite an early morning for the majority of folks, so it means a lot that you're here. And if you want to request a song, there are still pieces of paper and pencils to do so.
And if we need more paper, just yell at us.
Yes, we will accept yelling.